Hi guys, I want to take a minute and talk about the drops and final grading for next week. Census 2 is on Tuesday, so all of our drops have to be done Monday, July 12th. You will each be assigned one of the remote ticket numbers, and that's included in this email. And that's the only class you'll have to worry about with the drops and the final grading. So what you're going to do is open up the attendance for the summer. You'll see for the first census, which has already been done, Census 1 I did on June 14th. If they were dropped, it's already indicated here. If they have any hours after Census 1, they're indicated here, and a number will appear in the Census 2 column. So for example, if they didn't have any in the first, maybe they came after the first census, they're still going to have a number here. Don't worry about what the first census number is. You're just going to look at Census 2. If they have hours for Census 2, you're not going to drop them. Anybody who has 0 hours for Census 2, for example, this person here, is going to be dropped from this class. You're going to make a note of it here, the day that you drop them, and leave the rest. Anyone who has any hours at all in here for Census 2 will remain. Now, Census 2 is technically the 13th, so all drops have to be done Monday, July 12th by midnight. Once that is complete, we actually have to wait till the 13th goes by, and we can do final grading on the 14th. So I'll send another reminder out about that. But in order to do the final grading, you're going to go through and look. Anyone here who has a final grade, those are the people you can make note of that you've given a final grade on July 14th. Make sure you don't drop those people if they haven't been, if they don't have hours for Census 2, maybe they're waiting. But you can do all the grades on July 14th. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, thanks so much.